What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to stop shoe inserts from squeaking when you walk around. I'll show you two methods. First, a popular recommended solution that did not work for me. Second, a solution that worked perfect, which I have been using for several years. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. So, you have some fancy new shoe inserts that you want to use for better support for your feet. You remove the original inserts.
Get out of here! Out of the way!
And slide in the new ones.
Get in your new home!
Nice! Now, I'll take them for a walk. You're walking along, and they feel awesome. But then you hear it.
No!
The annoying squeak. To get rid of it, a popular solution that I tried was foot powder between the shoe and the insert. This didn't work for me. This was a terrible mess, and I really don't want to do it to my shoes again. But as a thorough reviewer, I'll do it to show you the results. Walking in the shoes resulted in powder puffing out with every step. It did eliminate the squeak initially, but it was temporary. The squeak came back the same day, and more powder was needed to re-eliminate it. No thanks. It is a popular recommendation. Maybe it will work for you, but it was pretty awful in my personal experience. Next is the solution that I highly recommend. Add a dryer sheet between the shoe and the insert. You can fold it up to match the shape of your insert, or cut it to match the shape. Then slide them into the shoe together.
Looking good.
Good. Or you can put the dryer sheet into the shoe first and slide the insert on top. There are a few options. Do whatever works best for you. Then enjoy walking around like a person with normal shoes that don't squeak. I've been using dryer sheets for about 5 years with no issues. They completely eliminate the shoe squeak. So that's been my personal experience. I hope you found it helpful. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.